नमस्कार। चलिए आज पढ़ते हैं पाठ 2 मिर्च मसाला। See, this is about the rumors. How will be victims of rumors? Many times people will try to spread rumors. Because of the rumors, gossiping, many unwanted incident happens. Many people will be affected. Many people will be put into problem because of rumors. So please remember that you should never believe rumors. You should not spread rumors. And don't react to rumors if at all if you hear any kind of rumors, and be safe. That's what we are going to learn from this chapter, Mirch Masala. So let us start with the reading. मिर्च मसाला। कभी कभी आदमी अपने विचारों को दूसरों के साथ बांटना चाहता है। Sometimes man likes to share his thoughts, and लेकिन उसे यह ध्यान रहे कि राज की बात बताने से पहले वह सावधानी बरते। But he need to be remembered that before he could share his secrets, he need to be very, very careful. When you keep the secret within you, then it is secret. If you just shared to a very close friend of you, then that is never been a secret. Remember this. Secret is a secret till it is there within you. If it goes to the second person, so it can never be a secret. Any day it will come out. Okay, so be careful. एक दिन शाम को भोलू आंगन में बैठकर दूध पी रहा था। One day, Bholu, a person, okay, you can see in this picture, okay, Bholu, he was sitting in his veranda outside the house and he was drinking milk. See there, he was drinking milk, but suddenly the milk fell down. Okay, उसे खांसी आई. He got cough. दूध का लोटा लुढ़क गया. So what happened was, the tumbler what he was holding slipped because of the cough, लुढ़क गया तथा थोड़ा सा दूध मुंह से निकलकर जमीन पर फैल गया. A little bit of milk fell on the ground. फैले दूध में उसको 2 पंख दिखाई दिए. In that spilt milk, he could see 2 feathers. पंख दिखाई दिए. पंख means feather. वो घबरा गया. He was scared. अपनी पत्नी हीरा को बुलाकर कहा. He called his wife and said, देखो, तुम किसी से नहीं कहोगी तो मैं तुमसे एक बात बताऊं. Look, if you don't say to anybody, shall I say something to you? कसम से किसी से नहीं कहूंगी. And his wife said, promise, I will not say to anybody. पत्नी बोली. His wife said, no, promise, I will not say to anybody. भोलू ने दूध में पंख की बात बता दी. Bolu told his wife about the feather in the milk. हीरा इस बात को पचा न पाए. हीरा could not digest this. उसका पेट फूलने लगा. Her stomach started swelling. Mean to say, somehow she wanted to go on the disclose it to somebody. Okay, she could not control, especially women, so they cannot keep secret. They'll go and share it to their friends. अपनी पड़ोसन चंपा से कहा, she met her neighbor. पड़ोसन means neighbor lady. ये चंपा से कहा, she told चंपा was her neighbor, एक राज की बात है, there is a secret. जानती हो आज क्या हुआ? Do you know today what happened? उनके मुंह से कबूतर के पंख निकले, and from his mouth pigeons feathers came out. बहुत सारे, many. मुझे चिंता हो रही है, I am really worried. पर किसी से मत कहना, but don't say to anybody. चंपा बोली, तुम भी किसी से मत कहना, you also don't say to anybody. लोग बात का बतंगड़ बना देंगे. People will make big issue out of a small thing, small issue. चंपा से रहा न गया. चंपा could not control herself now. उसे लगा कि अगर यह बात किसी से नहीं कही तो उसका पेट फट जाएगा. If she doesn't say to anybody, then her stomach will be bursted. अपनी सहेली चमेली को देखते ही उसने सारी बात उगल दी. She met, Champa met her friend Chameli. The moment she met her friend, immediately she just vomited everything. Mean to say, she disclosed all the secrets. She told everything what had happened. Not just the thing what happened, but she added more things to that. उगल दी. कहने से पहले चमेली से वादा करवा लिया. Before she could say to Chameli, she took promise from Chameli. चंपा बोली. Then Champa told to Chameli, देखो तो, look, भोलू जी को आज खांसी आई. Look, today भोलू जी got cough और उनके मुंह से ये पूरा कबूतर निकला. You know what happened? From his mouth, a big कबूतर as a pigeon came out. चमेली को विश्वास नहीं हुआ. चमेली could not believe it. पूरा कबूतर, she said. पूरा कबूतर, the whole pigeon. कबूतर तो इतना बड़ा पक्षी है. कबूतर is such a big bird. खाया कैसे होगा? How you would have eaten it? Like that. She could not believe it. She had a doubt on that. कुछ ही देर बाद किसी पड़ोसन ने सुना. After some time, some पड़ोसन means neighbor, one of the neighbors heard, सुना कि that भोलू के मुंह से झुंड के झुंड कबूतर, from Bholu's mouth, a group of together, a group like, कबूतर is a pigeon, कौवे crows, गौरैये sparrows, और मुर्गे, even the मुर्गे means it's a chicken, आदि निकल रहे हैं. All these are coming out. गांव में यहाँ तक खबर फैल गई कि in the village the message was spread, the rumor was spread like that. कईक आकार, many shaped तथा रंग के, many shaped and many colored पक्षी, birds, विदेशों के पक्षी भी, even foreign birds, और भी भोलू के मुंह से निकल रहे हैं. ऑल these birds are coming out of भोलू's mouth. और इन पक्षियों से आकाश भर गया है, एंड द स्काई इज फिल्ड विथ सच अ बर्ड्स. राई का पहाड़ बन गया, मीन्स अ लिटिल थिंग ग्रोन इनटू अ बिग माउंटेन. यह समाचार देखने के लिए दूर दूर से लोग आने लगे. यह चमत्कार देखने के लिए, okay? यह चमत्कार देखने के लिए दूर दूर से लोग आने लगे. So people started coming from different places to see this chamatkar. Chamatkar means this astonishing thing, I say magic. देखने के लिए लोग आने लगे. बेचारा भोलू भयभीत होकर किसी एक पेड़ पर छिप गया था. The poor fellow भोलू was scared and he was hiding on a tree. थोड़ी देर बाद सब लोगों ने उसे ढूंढ निकाला. After some time, so all those people searched for him and brought him down. उसकी घबराहट देखकर लोगों को समझ आया कि by seeing his fear, people understood that किसी भी रहस्य को बताने से पहले 10 बार सोचना चाहिए. So before you could say any secret to anybody, so you have to think 10 times. Means you disclose secrets so easily, and you have to think before you share your secrets. Means don't spread rumors and don't believe rumors, and you have to examine, test before you believe. Okay, you have to think, analyze it, whether it is really, is it possible? All these things. Simply you cannot believe what people say. They will be mixing many things. मिर्च मसाला मसाला डाल के बोलते हैं, तो उस मसाले पर हमें भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए. यही तो हम इस पाठ से सीखते हैं. ठीक है, धन्यवाद.